I'm Alana Williams. I am the Energy Manager and Environmental Coordinator for Worcester Blackcomb. So we have over 2 million visits per year. We have 1,000 year-round employees, and we have 4,000 employees in the wintertime. We have 37 lifts, 17 restaurants, 7 staff housing complexes, 37 retail and rental stores, offices, employee buildings, shops. So we have everything. We have an air-water snowmaking system, fan guns. We're dealing with huge motors on our lifts. We're dealing with compressors. So we have industrial applications. We have commercial. For us, values in my app. So again, tracking our optimization programs. MT&R, assessing our bonus incentives and reduction targets. We have to use it for baselines for all of our incentive programs. We use it a lot for capital planning and building the business case. So again, we strategically decide where to go. And again, just tracking our programs. The rendezvous, there's a great example. The manager is crazy about power management. So she dropped her energy consumption by 16% last year with 0 capital changes, completely behavioral. Our largest restaurant, it's 50,000 square feet. It's at the top of Whistler Mountain. That's the Roundhouse. We have saved almost 700,000 kilowatt hours there to date, and we're averaging about 420,500 kilowatts a year. So that's pretty significant. You can imagine with all of our operations, our hydro bill is pretty large. It is the second highest cost next to payroll. This is what our snowmaking system looks like. So what we're doing is we're pairing flow meters and electrical meters and taking the temperature. We're trying to figure out how much it costs, how much water and energy it takes to make snow in certain areas. So my point about this is if Energent can help us with this, most applications they'll be able to figure out. You know, this is a very complex system, and they've been able to work with us to kind of make that happen. So why do we use Energent? Again, great for industrial and commercial applications. We have someone who's designated to oversee our program, which we really liked. In the past, we had a lot of changeover all the time. We can imagine with our operations being what they are, that's difficult for us because then we have to start all over again. They've definitely catered things to meet our needs on the snowmaking side. And, you know, we have crazy times where we're busy and we can't get to this and that. And they're just very patient and great ideas with how to make things work. You know, really good people at Energent. They are responsive and timely. We find a lot of value in it. So what we pay for the system compared to what we're seeing in savings is definitely more than justified.